beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephany. Thank you so much for bringing your amazingness and your uniqueness here to my channel. Thank you. I appreciate it. So for today's video, I have an Ulta haul. So I've been doing a lot of shopping for makeup lately because I am decluttering my makeup and I wanted to make room for new makeup. So I don't know, toxic cycle. So I really do hope that you guys like this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into these bags and get started. Okay, so let's get into this bag here. So one of the first things that I actually picked up was this Ariana Grande perfume. So this is the Cloud Perfume and I love how beautiful she looks on this box. Like, slay the day away. And then that's the front of it. And oh my goodness, is this not the cutest perfume ever? Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. It has its own little cloud stand and then it has the perfume and you can remove it. And it is the most beautiful baby blue bottle and it just looks absolutely gorgeous and stunning. Only thing is, I don't really like the smell of it. I feel like it's a very refreshing smell, but I don't think I'm the biggest fan of it. I don't know. I'm considering returning it and getting Rem because I feel like that one might be a little bit more my style, but I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know whether I should keep it or not, but I feel like if I'm on the fence, I should return it because then I might not wear it, right? Because then I'll be like, oh, I'm going to wear one that I really, really like. So I don't know. I'm going to have to see about this one. I really am going to have to see about this. The next item that I picked up is the BH Cosmetic Travel Series 7-piece face and eye brush set with a bag. So here's the box. It's this really cute yellow and blue because I want to be traveling, but I'm not because of, you know, everything that's going on in the world. So there is the close-up of the brushes here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So it does come in this gold bag. Very cute. It's going to be perfect for when we are able to travel. So here are the brushes. They're these beautiful like light pink brushes, or like off-white, a little bit pink. So it does come with 7. It comes with a contour, a buffing, a liner, a highlight, shader, and then this one is for powder. So all the brushes you need for on the go. So it's really nice. I like it. Let me go ahead and pull one out so you guys can see it up close. I'll pull out the biggest one, which is the powder. And BH makes really good brushes, so I know they're going to be amazing. I love my Weekend Vibes one. This is just like a baby pink, almost lavender too, right? So yeah, super soft because all BH brushes are soft. So I loved the color of these and that's why I picked them up, because I am trying to buy cute brushes and invest in brushes. So yeah, I picked these up. The next item that is in here is the Essence Pure Nude highlighters. So this is in the color Be My Highlight. I'm actually going to be returning this though because it does have a thumb in it and that was definitely not my thumb. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and return this. I was super excited to wear this week, but I'm just going to go ahead and return it. This used to be one of my absolute favorite highlighters in the whole wide world, and I kind of wanted to reminisce, but I'm just going to have to wait a little bit longer. So yeah, I'm going to go in, return this, exchange it for a brand new one that doesn't have a thumbprint in it. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'll probably return the Cloud Perfume as well with that, and I'll probably pick up Rem and then a new Pure Nude highlighter. So I did pick up 2 of the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealers. I picked up 2 colors because I didn't know which one would be my shade, and then I thought if neither of them were, I could go ahead and mix them. So I picked up Medium Sand, but this one is definitely a little too dark for me, but I feel like over the summer it might fit a little bit better if I go outside. And then this one's in light beige. I feel like this one might be a better match for me right now. So yeah, I picked up 2. I've been really wanting to try this. I've heard good things about it. So I'm a dry girl, so hydrating concealer, I'm all for it, and I love, love, love trying on new concealers. So staying on the concealer trend, I did pick up this J-Cat Staysurance concealer. This is in the color Cappuccino. So I wanted to pick this up because I wanted a little bit of a darker shade for the summer. In this, I have the color Buff right now, and I just wanted to try this one out, but I feel like this one might be a little too dark, but like I said, I can always mix them if I don't go out too much in the summer. But yeah, I picked up that one. Okay, so I actually have two of these here. These are the e.l.f. Camo Cc Creams, and I have two of them. They're already open because I was trying to figure out which one was my color. First one that I picked up was 280 Neutral, so this is with neutral and warm undertones, but it was not my right shade. I actually did a get ready with me with this one. Yeah, and it didn't really fit me too well. So I decided to go ahead and pick up this one. This one's the light 210 Neutral. This is with neutral beige undertones. So I decided to try this one. This one fits me. Whoa! This one fits me a little bit better, so yeah. I'm going to be using this one. Next thing that I picked up is the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Curl and Hold Mascara. I use this in my Get Ready With Me as well. Absolutely love this mascara. I've been using it and I have been really liking it. So yeah, and I really like the color of this. It's like a really cute dusty pink that's a little bit more on the metallic side. So yeah, there's that. Okay guys, this next product, I'm pretty proud of myself because I absolutely hands down love the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. No eyeshadow primer works on my eyelids the way that this one does. Everything always creases my eyeshadow, but when I use this guy right here, when I use this eyeshadow primer, nothing can budge my eyeshadows. So I'm so glad I finally picked up a full size of it. I was using sample sizes for the longest time because I kept getting sample sizes, but I finally decided to go ahead, take the plunge, and invest in my very own full size of it. And I love Lorac. Lorac has really good products. The next item that I picked up is this J-Cat Hydrating Face Primer. I used to love this for the summer, so I decided to pick up a new one just to kind of add it back into my collection because I love face primers. I go through them so quickly, so I decided to pick that up. I also decided to pick up two Buxom products. So I love their Wanderlust products. I think they're absolutely amazing. So I picked up Dolly, which is one of their Wanderlust blushes. Seychelles is my absolute favorite, and I have another one, I forget the name of it, but this one is in Dolly, and it's just a really nice purpley color, so I felt like it would look super cute on the cheeks. I also got it because it matches one of my Storm Clouds by Glossier. I actually used those two together in my Get Ready With Me. And then I also picked up the Glow Highlighter in the color White Russian. So there is this highlighter, and I loved how subtle this highlighter was, but I feel like it's very buildable. Haven't tried to build it too crazy yet, but yeah, it's a really nice highlighter. The next item that I picked up is this e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. So I've been wanting to try this. I picked it up in the color medium. Don't know how it's going to look on my skin tone, but I have been wanting to try this. I've heard really good things about this, so I picked that up as well. Last few things from this bag are just some tools. So I picked up the Equal Tools Total Perfecting Blender sponge. I used to love this sponge so much, so I decided to go ahead reminisce a little bit. I also picked up another one of my Total face sponges by e.l.f. I had to get rid of mine, declutter it because it was a little bit old, so I decided to pick up a brand new one. The next item is this e.l.f. Complexion Duo Brush. So I decided to pick it up because I heard really good things about it. And it is a dual-ended brush, so who doesn't need simplicity in their life? So I decided to pick that up. I also picked up this loofah from the brand Earth Therapeutics because it was on sale. It was $2.50 and I needed a loofah. Okay, last two items. I actually took one out of its packaging. It's actually behind me. I picked up these Wet Brush Pros. So I picked up this one because it has Princess Jasmine on it. I'm a huge Disney fan, guys. Like, I absolutely hands down love Disney and everything about it. So I picked up this brush because Princess Jasmine is one of my favorite princesses. She's beautiful. And then I picked out this one. This is Aurora, and she looks absolutely gorgeous, and she's pink and beautiful. She's another one of my favorite Disney princesses as well. So yeah, I picked up these two, one for the bathroom and then one for my room. I just wanted to use this one because I really did want to get a wet brush, and then when I saw these, I was like, I need to get them. So they were perfect. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. I really do hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumb up. If you guys liked me, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. Let's be friends. Let's talk makeup. Let's talk fashion. Let's talk life. So I really do hope that I get to see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.